Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. My name is Tawfiq Omer, math teacher. In this video, I will explain Chapter 1, Linear Models and Rates of Change. Lesson 2, Collinear Points, Part B. Collinear points. The points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3 are said to be collinear if and only if the slope of AB, the slope of the line passing through AB, is equal the slope of the line passing through BC. Then these 3 points are collinear point. Or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equal y3 minus y2 over x3 minus x2. Example: show that the points 2, 2, minus half, 0, and minus 3 minus 2 are collinear. Let 2, 2, minus 1 over 2, 0 be M1, and minus 1 over 2, 0, and minus 3 minus 2 be M1. Now we are finding the first slope. M1 is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which equal y2 0 minus y1 is 2, 0 minus 2, x2 minus 1 over 2 minus x1 is minus 2, then minus 1 over 2 minus 2 is equal. Here 0 minus 2 is minus 2, is minus 1 over 2 minus 2 is 2 and half, it means minus 5 over 2, which equal, let minus 2 over 1 time minus 2 over 5, which equal 4 over 5. M2 is equal y3 minus y2 over x3 minus x2, then 0 minus minus 2 over minus 1 over 2 minus 3 is equal 2 over 5 over 2, which equal 2 over 1 times 2 over 5 is equal 4 over 5. Because M1 equal to M2, then these points are collinear. What is the value of A if the points 2, 0, 0 minus 3, and A1 are collinear? And now, because these 3 points are collinear, then M1 equal to M2. Then y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equal y3 minus y2 over x3 minus x2 equal minus 3 minus 0, 0 minus 2, then minus 3, 1, 0 minus A. Minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, is equal minus 3 minus 4 is minus 4, 0 minus A is minus A. Crossing, minus 3 times minus A is 3A, minus 2 times minus 4 is 8. Dividing by 3, then A is equal 8 over 3. That means the C is the correct answer. Cases for the straight line. We have 4 cases for the straight line. The first one, when the slope of the line is positive. M is bigger than 0. The line is increasing when we are moving from left to the right, like this. And it has two intercepts. The first one, vertical intercept or y-intercept. The second one is the horizontal intercept or x-intercept. The second case is when slope of the line is negative, m is less than 0, then the line is decreasing when we are moving from left to the right. We are moving from left to the right. It has two intercept, vertical intercept and horizontal intercept. The third cases is when slope is 0, m equal to 0. This line will be parallel with the x-axis and it calls the horizontal line. It has only the vertical intercept and its equation is y equal to the k if the distance between the line and the x-axis is k. The fourth case when m is not defined or m is undefined. This line will be parallel with the y-axis or perpendicular over x-axis. Is parallel with the y-axis and perpendicular with the x-axis is called a vertical line. It has only one intercept, which is horizontal intercept, and its equation is x equal to k when distance between the line and the y-axis is k. Example 7. Which of the following lines its slope is 0? A. Y equal x, B. Y equal minus 2, C. X equal minus 2, and D. X equal to minus 2y. Because the slope is 0, then this line must be a horizontal line. A horizontal line when y equal a constant number. That means B is the correct answer. Example: which of the following values is the slope of the line x equal minus 2? X equal minus 2 is the vertical line. The vertical line, its slope is undefined. Then D is a correct choosing. Which of the following is the closest uses for the slope of the given function? To finding the slope of the line when its graph is given, we will try to mark 2 points on the line. Let be the first one is 0, 1, and the second one be 2, 2. And now find the slope using these 2 points. M equal y2 minus y1, 2 minus 1, well, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 0 is equal 1 over 2. That means the correct answer is B. How to draw a function graph if we know the slope and a point x1, y1? Or how we can find another points on the line when it is slope and a point is given. First of all, the slope is equal delta y over delta x. Then we can find a point which is delta x and delta y, calling this point the slope point. And we have a point x1, y1. Add the point x1, y1 to the point of slope delta x, delta y, or x1, y1 minus delta x, delta y, as you like. Then find another point which is called x and y. This is the new point. For example, find 3 additional points on the line with the slope minus 2 over 3 and passes the point minus 1, 3. First of all, m is equal delta y over delta x, which is equal minus 2 over 3. Every time take minus with the numerator. And delta y is equal minus 2 and delta x is equal 3. Then delta x is 3 and delta y is minus 2. Then the slope point is delta x delta y, which is 3 minus 2. And now take a given point which is minus 1 minus 3 and the slope point 3 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 3 plus minus 2 is 1. Then a new point is 2, 1. And now take this a new point. Write it here. 2, 1. And now take a slope point again and add it. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then 5 minus 1. Repeat it. Take 5 minus 1, a new point, and add it to the slope point. Then 5 plus 3 is equal 8, and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. These are 3 new points on the line. We have another way to find this. Find the equation of the line using the point minus 1, 3 and minus 2, the slope minus 2 over 3. Then take a value for the x and find y. Which of the following graphs is the graph of the line with the slope minus 3? Minus 3 is a negative slope, then it must be the line decreasing. We can see A is a positive slope because it is increasing, and B, its slope is positive, B, then it it is increasing, then A and B are not an answer. On the C, take a point here and move to the right 2 steps. That means horizontally, that means this is 2. Then delta x is 2. And from the end of this vector, draw a perpendicular vector on the x-axis like this, and we can see it's 1, 2, 3 is -3 because going to the down. Then the slope is delta y over delta x, which means -3 over -2. It is not -3, then it is not a correct answer. Let's take another point, let be 1, 1, 1, and move 1 step from left to the right, beginning from here, like this. This is horizontal vector. It is 1 step, then delta x is 1. From the end of this vector, draw a perpendicular vector on the x-axis. You can see it is 1, 2, 3, -3. Then the slope of this line is -3 over 1, which equal -3. Then the correct answer is D. Here we came to the end of the video, and try to solve this question at home without depending on another one. Please, could you share it with your friends so that everyone get benefit? Please write your comment and subscribe to the page. Also, press like and ring the bell. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.